It's time to answer your Twitter questions here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer. Jim, let's talk headlines first. We have the retirement of Executive Chairman Don Knauss from Clorox. Ryan wants to know how that will affect the company.
Well, I love Don, but he left the company in terrific shape. It's still an inexpensive stock. They've got a lot of momentum, and that company loves to give you bigger dividends. Clorox is cool with me.
Greg says, Jack in the Box, what a great quarter. Regardless of rotation, should we be buying the dip?
Now, I think you have to understand it's in the hands of the chartist. The chart is now looking really bad. It looks like Mount Everest. I think you have to wait a couple of days. Let everybody who wants to get out of the stock get out, and then take a look at it. It's a time frame issue, Wednesday, Thursday next week.
Ryan wants to know your take on Cal-Maine Foods and if it can continue its rise.
Very big short squeeze. People saying, well, listen, how good can an egg company be when there's so many problems with the chicken market? I say take profits.
Michael asked your thoughts on Viacom. He says if content is king, will this one come back or is their content just not good enough?
I think their content may not be good enough, and I think that if you want content, you go Time Warner or even you go CBS. CBS has better buyback. I like them both much better.
And lastly, Dave wants to talk Netflix above 600 for a junior investor. Is it worth jumping into at this price point?
Look, you don't buy Netflix when it's running, but I've been saying over and over again that the market cap size of Netflix is way too small versus the opportunity. If they do go into China, like the Bloomberg story suggests and Stifel confirms, then I think that the stock does go to 700. That's not a reach. This company is very undervalued.
And there you have it. Thank you so much, Jim. And make sure to keep your questions coming. Always make sure to tweet them using #CramerQ. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.